What's up everybody, Thomas Anderson, DJI, and today we have Michel here joining on the dark side.
Hey!
We got this Tango and we're gonna set up his Goggle 2 and we're gonna rip some later. But now first we're gonna fly some gates, chase some wings and possible some motors, so let's head out. Loading the car. Check out this cam. Ja, in de achterbak is future drone fan.
Deze moeten we wel even meenemen, dat is die accu-pack.
So we arrived at the spot, the gentlemen already here. Got some gates and here's some wing. So let's get it cracking.
I feel like I'm living in a rave. My life is like the speaker, it's getting deeper. You can feel it in the bass. My head is like the dance floor, make it dance more. Like I'm living in a rave. My life is like the speaker, it's getting deeper. You can feel it in the bass. My head is like the dance floor, make it dance more. Yo, we get it cooking in that lab like an alchemist. About to drop it heavy on your head. Are you down for this? Take me back to paradise, a place where all my problems, them are paralyzed. I came up grinding, pushing out my sound for this. If you're representing for yourself, then make it known. Surrounded by these strangers, but my vibe is so alone. I bet we get this stuck up in your dorm. By the time you make it home, call my phone because I'm known to set the tone. I feel like I'm living in a rave. My life is like a speaker, it's getting deeper. You can feel it in the bass. My head is like the dance floor, make it dance more. Like I'm living in a rave. My life is like a speaker, it's getting deeper. You can feel it in the bass. My head is like the dance floor, make it dance more. Yeah, yo, listen, gang shit, hit 'em up with that slang shit. Ride out man, don't plan shit, keep up with them antics. Nothing romantic, feel that kick, Sam Smith. If you speak my language, then you might understand this. Gang shit, hit 'em up with that slang shit. Ride out man, don't plan shit, keep up with them antics. Nothing romantic, feel that kick, Sam Smith. If you speak my language, then you might understand this.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
A world where anything is possible. Where we go from there is a choice I leave to you.